Here at the Grunau Service, what we do is we support a lot of what our mechanical team does and what they install. Oftentimes dovetailing right in off of that, we come in and propose and ultimately win a preventative maintenance award that will then help the customer protect their capital investment of the equipment and maximize their operating costs over the course of a year and several years after that. We handle the fire protection, we handle HVAC, we handle controls, we handle electrical, we even have site utility repairs and installations. All that stuff we handle in-house. Very little do we have to subcontract with the breadth of our equipment that we have at our disposal. We don't have to rely on somebody. Having our own earth-moving equipment for an underground site utility repair, we have everything we need in our backyard. We have gravel, we have all that stuff available to us to provide us an instantaneous ability to adapt, fly, improvise on the go. It's just a great opportunity for us to show our customer we're here for them and we have everything that they need to keep them up and running at a critical time. We have roughly 40 to 50 technicians at any given time. 30 to 40 of them are in trucks. We provide in-house service where we have fellows 24/5 on site supporting our customers' operational needs. What our service team is about and Grunau in general is about is being customer focused and customer facing and understanding and being able to help our customers with their business. The better we understand their business, the better we're going to provide them a level of service that's going to help their business become successful as well. Understanding our customer is paramount and understanding what we need to provide to them. We'll get to know customers at many levels within the organization. Oftentimes there's changes within an organization. The better we understand those changes, the better we are to adapt and provide them with the level of service that they've come to expect.